Hey guys, I got some bad news, okay? They done arrested my 14-year-old son, man.
Fortify Florida tip led multiple agencies to finding these.
Slam it together, and then that should discharge.
Investigators say this 14-year-old
Man, it's a science project, man.
Julian Davis is currently in St. Johns County Jail after they say they found this table full of weapons and pictures showing ammunition.
This is some ammo, man, and it's some PVC pipe. It's just my son had a science project. All right?
He was arrested on April 30th and faces 8 charges, including conspiracy to commit robbery and making guns and explosives.
Listen, guys, my son didn't do nothing wrong. He didn't do nothing. He didn't do nothing. I'm just being honest with you. My son ain't do nothing.
Investigators say a manifesto shows he was obsessed with killing and was creating weapons.
Oh, that's an exaggeration. He just had some angry rants sometimes.
In the Fortify Florida app tip, investigators say they learned the two were planning to rob someone. Sheriff Rob Hardwick talks about what they found when serving the...
Come on, man. You really expect us to believe they were going to rob some people with some PVC pipes? Some metal pipes? And some mostly spent ammunition casings? They were going to rob some people with that? Okay.
Search warrant.
There was things like located 3 privately made firearms and ammunition, makeshift handcuffs, handwritten notes depicting the construction of fire.
Bro, you could do better robbing somebody with airsoft guns that look like real guns than this. I mean, this isn't even this is cringe. I don't. Why are we doing this?
Firearms and chemical reactions and diagrams, a manifesto-style books, tactical vests with white supremacy drawings on it, among other items of concern.
Is this really what we're doing now?
I think the key point of this...
Yeah, you guys realize these are like 13 and 14-year-old kids?
is that Davis was using his devices in his home to research things. He had an asphyxiation with people that had committed, of course...
An asphyxiation? He had an asphyxiation? You sure that's the right word? Are you sure that's the right word? Maybe you should be like reading the dictionary a little bit more. Asphyxiation is not the word.
These mass school shootings, people that have gone in and done these mass stabbings.
He had a fascination or infatuation. Maybe you should read a dictionary, sir. Yeah. These are our public officials. They don't know the difference between the words infatuation and asphyxiation. Those are two. Asphyxiation is when you're choking somebody. These are the people you have in charge of you in your county? Listen, if you have people that have this level of education running your county, then you guys are screwed.
Sheriff Hardwick says some of the terms that Davis was searching was even unfamiliar to him. The apparent robbery that was supposed...
Yeah, unfamiliar to him. He doesn't even know what the dude's searching? Come on, you're a law enforcement official and you don't even know what this dude's searching? I mean, come on. That's another thing that lets me know you're incompetent.
Was supposed to happen behind a Publix. Deputies say the parents of the teen...
Guys, this is just kids having too much fun on Discord and Telegram, fantasizing about doing stuff, playing around with like this. We did this when we were teenagers. Yeah, making slam fire pipe guns and stuff. This is just normal shit teenagers do. And they're making this look like a total terrorist case or something. Like, what the hell?
They're not naming or cooperating, but charges cannot be ruled out for the parents of Julian Davis. John Aceba.
Bro, part of me wants to blur out this kid's face, bro. This kid's too young to be all over the news, bro. This is a kid playing around with some duct tape and some metal pipes and some spent ammunition casings. And, you know, he printed out like a manifesto that I'm sure a lot of people on Telegram have seen. But it's like, bro, this dude this is like play. This is playtime BS. This is not serious. It's just not.
Channel 4, the local station.
God. Well, guys, there you go. I don't know what to tell you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I got the sniffles. I'm just sick as hell. And I've been sick the last couple days. And this is what I've been missing. Just the world's just going crazier and crazier with the lawfare. And now any edgy kid on Telegram, if you're an edgy kid using Telegram, tighten up, okay? Because, apparently at 14 years old, you're going to be rounded up and charged as an adult for playing with some metal pipes and fantasizing about robbing people and stuff like that. They're really going to throw the book at you now and parade you for the press. They're going to perp walk you. Anyways, it's just sad to see them doing this sort of grandstanding. This is obviously just kids playing around, being stupid. I think charging them as an adult is completely unnecessary, and it's just performative nonsense. And it's just, as usual, just the guys standing around in suits and ties, acting all serious. Look at this look they all have on their face. They all got this serious look on their face. Like this is anything other than a kid playing with some shit in his dad's garage. That's all this is. Some spent ammunition casings and like a homemade slam fire pipe gun that probably doesn't even work. I mean, come on, man. I mean, come on, this is lame, you know? I don't even know why anybody takes these people seriously anymore, guys. I just wanted to bring your attention to it. Uh my son got arrested, guys. Oh well. All right, see you guys in the next one. JordanJJereb signing off.